In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your Apple ID password. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to find your Apple ID password, don't worry, it's actually super easy to do. Begin by opening up the Passwords app on your device and log into it with your Face ID or passcode. And from here, you need to go ahead and tap All Passwords up at the very top. Up at the top of the list, you're going to see an option for your Apple ID. It is going to be alphabetically sorted. So go ahead and scroll down a little bit and tap on Apple ID just like so. And then from here, you just have to tap on your password in order to go ahead and open up your saved password. Overall, it really is as simple as that. You're going to see your username, your password, and you may even see your email on here as well. If you do have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.